CNU Vision. By 2027, CNU, a globally recognized institution as agile and technologically proof smart campus or Great Smart Campus. CNU Mission. Developing graduates equipped with world-class competencies and imbued with positive values for them to be future-proof ready and become great leaders, professionals, and stewards in their chosen vocation and of the society amidst destructive, volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous, and divergent conditions. Quality Policy. Cebu Normal University commits to deliver excellence in instruction, research, and extension services competitiveness. For global competitiveness to meet increasing levels of customer demand and delight, statutory, regulatory, and international standards through continuous quality improvement, transparency, and good governance. Toward this end, university goals and aspirations are aligned to the institution's directions strategic directions, university charter, and government strategies for global preservation and poverty alleviation. Quality management principle of customer focus, effective and efficient leadership in all levels, people engagement, process approach, evidence-based decision making, and relationship management are observed. To ensure compliance with the commitment, relevant and responsive virtual and/or physical monitoring, review, and upgrading of service delivery are implemented. Quality objectives. QO1. Increase average passing percentage of board examination programs by 20% of the national passing. QO2. Ensures 80% cohort survival of graduates in the undergraduate programs. QO3. Increased number of publications in the referred reputable journals. QO4. Increased technical advisory extension services that are responsive and timely to the needs of the community. QO5. Timely completion of financial accountability report. QO6. Increased customer satisfaction index in all services of the university through fast tracking of service in compliance with Service Delivery Charter. QO7. Institute timely risk management protocols in order to mitigate effects of risk in its various process deliveries. QO8. Ensures confidentiality of records and/or information in compliance with the provisions of relevant statutory requirements.